Fireworks are great for celebrations. Fireworks are being lit, and they can cause unwanted responses not only to our pets, but in people too. This may seem normal and fun for most of us, but for some of our elders, they may have a hard time with the noise. It can also be a trigger for those who suffer past traumas while fighting for our freedom. Sometimes the loud explosions or noises can be overbearing for our soldiers or those who suffer from PTSD. These trauma support oils may help. Roman chamomile, vetiver, serenity, balance, magnolia, thyme, helichrysum, rose, rosemary, eucalyptus, and cardamom. These oils can also be used for people suffering from other forms of trauma. Have a wonderful 4th of July. Please be safe. See you soon.